This video guide will give you an overview of the Now I Know presentation tool. The presentation tool contains step-by-step lessons following the same learning path as the teacher's book. It is available online and to download unit by unit. You can access the presentation tool on the Pearson English portal with the code you have in your teacher's book. When you click on a unit you want to teach, you can choose between Plan and Teach for every lesson. The planning mode gives you an overview of key language and key objectives. You can also preview activities in the planning mode. Another thing you can do in planning mode is read the teaching notes for each activity. Additionally, you can view and print the full teaching notes for the lesson. To start teaching, click Teach on today's lesson. The screen will open at the first activity. You can move between activities in two ways. The first way is to use the Lesson Flow toolbar. Alternatively, you can navigate from the page view. There are two icons in page view. Clicking on the yellow star will take you to individual student book activities. The red diamond indicates activities which do not have a corresponding print book task. You can click Page View at any time to help students follow along in their books. To close Page View, just click it again. The presentation tool includes all the class audio and video. When you are in teaching mode, you can also access teaching notes, including all audio scripts. Teaching tools can be accessed from the menu on the left. Apart from the usual tools, which allow you to write, highlight and erase on the screen, you also have a scoreboard for team games and a timer. Let's look at the scoreboard first. You can add teams by selecting Add Team. You can also change the colour of the scorecards and delete teams by selecting the dots on each card. And now let's look at the timer. The timer can be enlarged so all students can see it. You can select the number of minutes by clicking on the plus and minus. The same tool can be used as a stopwatch. Click on Play to start timing an activity. If you are using the presentation tool with a whiteboard rather than a separate screen, you may be interested in another tool called Blank. Clicking on this allows you to switch off the images so you can write or do an activity on the board. Each unit can be downloaded, so you can still use the presentation tool if you are having issues with connectivity. We have now discussed the presentation tool for Now I Know. To learn about the remaining digital components, please watch other video clips in the series.